Dear children, previous video I have explained exercise 2.5 question number 14. Now I am going to explain exercise 2.5 question number 15. Give possible expressions for the length and breadth of each of the following rectangles. Give possible expressions for the length and breadth of each of the following rectangles in which their areas are given. That means area of the rectangles it is given here. We have to give expressions for length and breadth. That means we have to find out the length and breadth. So here first question it is given there. Area of this rectangle is 25a square minus 35a plus 12, and area of this rectangle is 35y square plus 13y minus 12. So we have to find out the length and breadth. So here we are going to write area is equal to area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to, or we can write area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to, area of rectangle is equal to, what is the area of the first rectangle? 25a square minus 35a plus 12. 25a square minus 35a plus 12. Area of rectangle is equal to, what is the formula? We know that area of a rectangle is equal to, what is the formula? Length into breadth. Length into breadth is equal to, length into breadth is equal to 25a square minus 35a plus 12. That is equal to 25a square minus 35a plus 12. It is a quadratic polynomial. In this chapter 2, we have studied different types of polynomials: linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, and biquadratic polynomial. Its degree is 2, so it is a quadratic polynomial. So we are going to split its middle term, or we are going to factorize it. If we are factorizing this quadratic polynomial, then we will get the length and breadth of this rectangle. So here we are going to factorize this quadratic polynomial. For factorizing this quadratic polynomial, we are going to split its middle term. We will split its middle term. Then that is how to split the middle term we have studied earlier. First you have to write the values of a, b and c, comparing with the general form of a quadratic polynomial. What is the general form of a quadratic polynomial? Ax square plus bx plus c. That is the general form of a quadratic polynomial. So compare it with our quadratic polynomial 25a square minus 35a plus 12, and write the values of a, b and c here. So with the x square, what is the number? That is the value of a. With the x, what is there? That is the value of b. Then last constant number, that is the value of c. And here it is a variable. In general, we used to take x. Then what is the variable here? Here variable is a. A is the variable. So here a square and a time is there. Last constant number is there. So comparing with the standard form, we will get the value of a is equal to, what is the value of a? 25. A is equal to 25. B is equal to, with x, what is the number? That is the value of b. Here it is variable a. So with a, what is the number? That is the value of b. Here it is minus 35. Minus 35. And c is equal to, that is the last constant number. Constant number it is here 12. C is equal to 12. Now you multiply a into c. 25 into 12. What is the answer? 25 into 12. 5 2s are 10, 0, remainder 1. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. 5 1s are 5. 2 1s are 2. 0. 5 plus 5, 10, 0, remainder 1. 3, 2 plus 1, that is 3. A into c, that is 300. 25 into 12, 300. Now we have to find out two numbers whose product should be a into c value, that is 300. It should be 300, and whose sum should be b value, that is minus 35. A into b, or sorry, a into c is equal to, we got 300. So we have to find out two numbers whose product should be a into c value, that is 300, and whose sum should be b value, that is minus 35. So which are the two numbers? We have to factorize that 300, then only we will get answer. 300 you factorize it. 300 divided by 2, 150, divided by 2, 75, divided by 3, 3 2s are 6, remainder 1, 15 by 3, 5, divided by 5, 5. Then multiply that one. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 into 25 is equal to 300, but 12 plus 12, 25 plus 12 is equal to, we will not get 35. So again we have to arrange it. And here you see 3 5s are 15 into 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20. 15 into 20 it will come 300. 15 into 20 is equal to 300. 15 plus 20 is equal to 35. But it is, we have to get minus. So both numbers will give minus. Minus 15 into minus 20, it will become minus into minus plus 300. Minus 15 plus minus 20 is equal to minus 35. So using these two numbers, we are going to split its middle term. That is, first term we will write as it is 25a square. Minus 35a we are going to split into 2 using these two numbers, that is minus 15 and minus 20. So here we will write, in place of minus 35a we can write minus 15a minus 20a plus last term we will write as it is, that is 12. Now you see, same thing only. We splitted this middle term into two terms, that much only. That is, first term 25a square minus 15a minus 20a, it will come minus 35a, minus 15 minus 20 minus 35, then plus 20, that much only. Now we will take common factor from first two terms and the last two terms. What is common in the first two terms? Here 25, 15, 5 we can take out common factor. 5 into 5 and a also we can take out common factor. 5a into, remaining what is here? 5 5s are 25. 1a we have taken outside, 1a will remain there. 5 3s are 15, a taken outside. So inside the bracket it will come 5a minus 3. After taking out the common factor, once we multiply it and see whether we are getting this one or not. 5 5s are 25, a into a square minus 5 3s are 15, a. 5a into 3, that is 15a. Now take out common factor from these two terms. Here first term it is minus, so we can take out minus common factor. 20, 12, what is common? Yes, 4 is common. 4 we can take out. 4 5s are 20, 4 3s are 12. So minus 4 I have taken outside. Remaining here 4 5s are 20. A we did not take outside, a is there, so you have to write a. Minus are taken outside. From plus, if we are taking out minus sign outside, means minus will remain there. Minus into minus plus. 4 3s are 12. Now again multiply it and see whether we are getting this one or not. Minus 4 into 5a, minus 4 into 5, minus 20a. Minus into minus plus 4 3s are 12. Yes, it is correct. Now again inside the bracket it is same, 5a minus 3, 5a minus 3. So now we can take out that 5a minus 3. 5a minus 3 I have taken outside into 5a minus 3 taken outside. Remaining what is here? 5a minus 4. 5a minus 3 taken outside. 5a minus 3, 5a minus 3 taken outside. Remaining it is here 5a minus 4. Therefore we can write, therefore, here you see area of rectangle is equal to 25a square minus 35a plus 12. Length into area of a rectangle is equal to what is the formula? Length into breadth. Then here we got 5a minus 3 into 5a minus 4. Therefore we can write length is equal to, question was give possible expressions. It is possible to have length is equal to 5a minus 3 and breadth is equal to 5a minus 4. So therefore length is equal to, we can write 5a minus 3 and breadth is equal to 5a minus 4. That is the answer. So now the second question, area is equal to 35y square plus 13y minus 12. Now this one also the same way we are going to split the middle term and find out the expressions for length and breadth. So that question you do it at home or try it at home and write down it in your notebook. Thank you so much.